Hello everyone, this is MOUSUMI'S. Welcome to MOUSUMI'S Artistry. As you can see that this is a normal bag which I have selected to paint and transform its look from ordinary to extraordinary. So I decided to paint something like manuscripts, and I'm sure that people haven't seen this type of designing on handbags before. So after applying a lot of colors as a base, now it's time to do some detailings. This is how I am completing all the intricate parts of it step by step. You know what's the most interesting part of this painting? People are actually thinking that this is an original paper cutting which I have just attached with some glue. Some are also saying if I have written these lines with the help of a doctor's prescription. How funny. But I enjoyed. After all, people are thinking about it. That's impressive. Okay, now it's time to take a look. I hope you all have enjoyed this video enough, and if yes, do subscribe and like, share and comment. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Bye bye.